Hi traders, today is 23rd of March 2020. We are now live day trading M2K, which is a Russell 2000 contract, futures contract, micro account. So at this moment we are on the long position after the market shut down this morning due to the circuit breaker of been set by the exchange, CMA exchange, which is at 196 at 2.40. So the price hit already, and then the market already halt, and now we are continuing to go for the first signal appeared after a while, after they have stopped the market over here, and then market did move sideways. Then I just catch some signal over here to go for a long position. So at this moment we are one lot in position with a profit of 30 US dollar. This is a micro account. For standard account should be by right now is 275. So the highest is $40 for micro account, and for standard account it's for 100 US dollar in profit. So we are about how many points ahead already? I think around 6 points, or the highest is 11 point. So it was good trade as for now, and let's wait and see. Hopefully the market will remain on the higher side. I hope the market will fill up the gap create this morning, or touch the last previous low, which is at 1003. So let's wait and see. This will be another 30 more points. So hopefully I will reach that point of level. So at this moment I don't have any TP. I'm still open the trade to let it run, and my stop loss is stood at 966.10. So let's hope it will not hit, and the profit keep increasing. It was a good move as for now, and yeah, there's a new candle. So let's wait and see. Alright guys, we resume back again. So this one looks good. Then we can see that it reached the recent high. Maybe try to break it out, but I think it will make another sideways move. But as for now, we 43 US dollar in profit. I think should be good enough for a while. I will find another entry somewhere later. Uh, yeah. Stand by to. Alright. Man, other people already go flat. Now the price reverse back. Yep. Just miss it a bit. Never mind. So it should be another entry somewhere here later on. Have to wait. I don't have enough margin to go for another round. Even this is a micro, because the margin already increased. So it's a bit harder for us as a day trader to trade. And you have to move from a standard account to the mini account. Sorry, standard account from mini standard account to the micro account. And this is a Russell 2000. Couldn't afford for this E-Mini S&P futures and also the NQ. I just keep my capital inside here low during this time of recession, or during this time of high volatility of the market. There's a big uncertainty on the current situation. As a day trader, we just scalp and make money every day. 100 to 300 should be a good enough, and then withdraw it and then do again tomorrow. So I've been doing this for the past 3 weeks, since the beginning outbreak of the coronavirus getting worse, mostly for the Europe and also the USA, especially also in some Asian country. Alright, by the time now China is improving and get back to the normal state, I believe. So only us now have a problem under the lockdown. We have to trade from our home. Okay, now the price did spike up, meeting our target for the TP at 78 immediate TP. So I will see whether this will lead to another opportunity for us to exit first and then re-enter again, or just let it run and take a small profit later on in case the price reverses back to the downside. But there's a high tendency for the market to keep going to the higher side, so I'm targeting to exit at 996, which is around from the entry is supposed to be 30 points. So 13 points in normal account should be around 1500 US dollar in profit. and for this micro should be 150. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, now we are reaching 49 US dollar in profit, so let's hope the price break through. So there's another signal for, so let me show my chart here. So there's another signal to go for the continuation of the bullish movement at this moment. Oh, just now. So there's one candle here for continuation of the bullish. So just now it's appeared the same right candle, but already disappeared. Okay, now it appear again. So there's a possibility for the market to go for this another round of the bullish. So let's wait and see. Hopefully things go accordingly, and when the price go accordingly, then I will exit somewhere higher than 998 or 990. All right, so let's have some patience. So there's another 40 seconds left for the next candle to be appeared. So hopefully we can close this candle with higher than 977 or 978 or 982 about that price level. Okay, that should be good. So 46 US dollar, 47 US dollar. Then my another trade is with this mini natural gas, but it seems like natural gas didn't have any kind of move, so it doesn't look good. Okay, now for the micro, the indexes is Russell 2000 provide us a good profit of $50. As for now, well, it's good enough. It's still early in the morning, and $50 is a good enough and for us to make a move. And you can do this all the way to the US session. So that means 300 is achievable, 300 or under the micro account, or 3000 under the standard mini account. So 3000 is quite a lot per day. Okay, so now the price already break through the nearest high. So let's take a look back on this. Yes, we have a confirmation on this another bullish continuation candle appeared and show us that once it's break through, then there is a continuation of the bullish movement. So I'm expecting to, okay, it did break through, you can see over here. So that means we are on the go for the higher profit price target. So at this moment I'm not sure where should I put my exit, or maybe at the opening should be good one. Let's change the icon to the normal candle. Alright, now it break through the opening, I guess. So okay, this 993, I think 990 should be is it a perfect 990? Yeah, I think so. 990 should, I'm still targeting for 1000, but okay, now the candle move further down. Alright, that's not really good. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. I will wait another two more candle. Hopefully two more candle is another bullish continuation candle. As for now, bullish confirmation signal here have been identified and been filled and been confirmed. So which is another next two candle will provide us another bullish movement perhaps. Then I will exit once it reach maybe 988.1 should be a good one. Then I exit there. Final. That's my final decision. Or maybe I will exit immediate as a go flat. Okay, so 988.10 is my. Alright, this is my profit target area. So this is my, okay, it's a good risk and reward ratio. I seldom have a good risk reward ratio. Okay, as for now, we are going to this direction. So let's hope everything will go fine and we'll keep moving up faster pace. Okay, you can see there's a breakthrough over here, then should be fine. Let's say if we measure this candle, the first candle will provide us somewhere to 98.4. That's a good indication. And the second candle is 983, which is much more lower. 985, which is a bit lower. And hopefully we manage to exit with a good profit for this one. Alright, now drop to 49.50 US dollar. So let's wait and see. Once it reach 984 or so, I will move my stop loss to the positive area, which is at 971. About 3 points above, should be around $15 lock in profit no matter what. But at this moment, the highest is 58. Oh, it's right. which is quite good actually for this profit. 57, I think I will exit also. Will bring me no harm. I will find another entry later on. Okay, 55. Okay. So now a bit volatile market, a bit active, which is quite good. So I will wait another two more candle, no matter what, to exit the market. So time now is Chicago time is 9:28 p.m. My local time is 11:28. So 13 hours different. Okay, looks good. 58. I think around profit around 70 plus. I will exit it, which is good enough for my trade. Or maybe just wait until 88. 88 minus 68 is around 2600 US dollar in profit. So normal account should be 1000. Wow, that's quite a lot. Okay, let's wait and see. Alright, looks good. 62. If I exit now, should be a good one. I think I will exit. Alright, so we will exit already. So my live account over here, my name. Okay, this natural gas is not moving at all. Okay, oh nice. We just exit the position and the market reverse back to the downside. Okay, let's take a look on the candle, normal candle. Oh, okay, both have then we have oof. Okay, it's a good call. Lucky, I guess. So now we already profit for natural gas is 63. You can watch over here. 63 US dollar in profit for the early morning session, Asia session, after the market already locked. So how many points? So let's take a look. We exit at, I think, somewhere at 981. Let's take a look on orders fill. La, 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 la. uh, let's select the symbol. Okay, we did exit and we did enter at 968.6 and exit at 981.20, which is quite good. And we have around what 10 13 points, around 13 points, something like that, almost 13 points in profit. So it's a good call actually. I think 12.6. So 12.6 points and ticks, around ticks is 48 ticks. So there's alarm, could be there's another entry. Okay, so 12.6 points or 48 or 50 ticks, which is a very good, damn good entry. So I will find another entry somewhere later on, and let's wait and see. So hope to increase this profit to maybe to 200 or 300 from this micro account. So we'll continue later on. Alright, traders, we resume back again. So the first trade already profit around 63 US dollar. So now we have another entry, which is at 78.7. This is the second signal appeared for the continuation of the bullish. So based from the current situation, once the market for this candle must hit this order to be filled. If not, then it will be expiry for this kind of signal. So we wait for another signal later on, but hopefully this one will be filled and then move to the higher side. So the first trade today with 63 US dollar, and let's hope everything's will work accordingly towards this 1000 price level. So that's my target today, to hold until that kind of point. So the first profit 63, then which is should be good one. And also from my natural gas, everything's seems perfect. I managed to earn something, $12.50. Okay, this is a slow market, but let's wait for this order to be filled. This is where I queue my position, and my TP is might be the same, 998.1. That's the target. So another 4 more minutes, and hopefully the price will hit this entry and got filled. So which means we are good to go for another long position. If not, then I have to wait another round and delete this entry. Alright, traders, we resume back again. So at this moment, it seems like the order is not yet filled. for the second order, and the price go for the totally pullback. So we have to wait for another signal, maybe somewhere in the next 20 minutes for another entry for the bullish price movement. So I will exit or delete this entry, this order to be filled, because it is impossible to be filled after one candle. So this is a 5-minute chart. After this candle is provide the signal and the next candle is not filled, so I will normally delete the action, cancel the order. Okay, now we are cancelling and then waiting for another signal, maybe in the next 20 minutes. So I will keep resume and posted this video, so watch till the end whether for the second thread and third thread how I did find the entry. First, let's resume back again. So this moment we just received a second buy call, which is at 972.3 as a Q price or the stop limit order, buy stop limit order for the long position. Alright, so this is the second trade. The first trade, just now you saw we have make a profit of $63 in profit for this Russell 2000. So this will be my second trade. Perhaps let's wait and see for the next maybe in 15 minutes whether this order will be filled or not. So there's most likely once it hit, it will be going fly high. That's the pullback from this current condition, but it must be filled within this next 5 to 10 minutes before I had to cancel the order. So based from this chart, we can see it's a buy signal appeared here with this candle, and it shows that we have to go to search for the buy position and entry the market on the long. Okay, so let's wait and see. Maybe this is going to take some time. If the price will not haven't hit, then it will take for another short sell signal perhaps. But for now, we remain for the buy position, since the limit down for this index is at 962.4. So beyond that is it will trigger the circuit breaker, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, based from this CME price limit 692. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so for this one, still waiting to go for buy. So let's wait and see whether we are going to have a good hand on this one. Alright, okay, that's good. There's a slight increase. Now 971.3, and our entry is by stop limit order is 972.3. So it's not far. So let's wait and see. I will resume back once the order been filled. Alright, so the order has been filled. So this moment we are in the route for the second trade, and for today is 23rd. If you just watch this video, so this second trade hopefully for the long bullish kind of movement. So we expected for the market to reach 1000 or 998 or maybe 990 should be good enough for us to make some money. So for the first trade is this T3, yeah, 63 for the M2K, this one. And the other trade for GC is still waiting. So as for now, minus 7.5. So let's wait and see. We resume back later on once the price make a bigger move. So from this entry, okay, no, we just enter, and the stop loss will be somewhere here in the 968.3. So I will put the stop loss first, 968.3, 968.3 as the stop loss. In case the price reverses back to the downside, then we have no choice just to exit the market. So the profit target is much more higher, so we will left it blank for a while, and hopefully the next two candle will give a promising bullish situation for us. So okay, I think we pause for a while. I resume back later on. Alright guys, seems a good cash at this moment. We already profit around 16 US dollar with this micro account with the standard RTY Russell 2000. So you should earning by now is 160 or 145 US dollar. So let's hope things will go smoothly. I'm not sure, maybe my internet is quite low at this moment. The price moved on, but the chart is not. Okay, doesn't matter. Now is okay. Now we can see there's a red candle over here. So I hope that the price will not do make a reversal. As for now, there's a more bullish signal than the selling signal. and hope the price will go higher and to break this nearest high and go further up. So this going to take more time for the market to react. Okay. By the way, we will increase the stop loss maybe to somewhere at 968.6 or 968.5 compared to the current. Alright, the stop loss is 968.3, so another 2 more points. Alright, okay, so not points, 2 more ticks, okay. Alright, sorry about that. So back to $10, and let's wait and hope everything will be fine and the price remain on the bullish side. So from this bullish signal, so we can see that there's a trendy movement, and hopefully it's not a sideway or a reversal to the downside. Once it reverses to the downside, whether we have to escape here or to find another entry on the next move to the bullish movement, or maybe it's permanently going for the bearish movement. Just to remind that there's a circuit breaker earlier this morning, and we will make sure that it will not go beyond this price level, and we will escape that. Okay guys, while waiting for the market to react more on the higher side, so we'll pause this video and resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So at this moment, still on the positive side, and not much to be seen at this moment. There's a new high being created at 980.20 cents. Sorry, 980.2, and at this moment there's a minor pullback can be seen over here, and now expecting for a bull a full bull throttle to the upper side. So let's wait and see. Hopefully this will provide us a good opportunity for the long position. So we still maintain a one lot position size for this Russell micro account, although there is an increase in the margin. Okay, so I will wait until this price hit or break through this nearest high. Let's hope everything will be fine then. Okay guys, it looks good. Now the price almost break through the nearest high and creating a new high, perhaps after the breakthrough to this 980.1. So I'm expecting for the market to go for the high, and we assume to gain around 20 points, or maybe around $100 in profit for micro account, or $1,000 in profit for mini account. So let's wait. It's going to take another few more minutes. I believe in 30 minutes that the market will headed to the north direction, so instead of the south, because there's a limit down on the circuit breaker of 5%. So there's only one opportunity for the market to move, is to move higher. So looks good for now. We have earned around 24 US dollar in for the micro account. For the mini account, it should be around 230 US dollar. Okay, any moment it will break through. Okay, we have been breakthrough at the nearest high, so now creating a new high. So profit now is 32.5 US dollar. So overall profit also already increased. So we are expected a full blast to the upper side, and hopefully same to the this NQ over here. This is a Nasdaq 100, also micro account. So there's a opportunity for the market to go even higher. So let's take a look on the chart. If there is a signal, there is a continuation, and let's wait and see. Let's go examine the chart a while. Okay, so let's see. There's a first signal of the continuation of the bearish appeared a while ago. Local time is 2:10. My local time is UTC +8. Okay, so for this one, it's already break through the nearest high, and now creating another high, and hopefully it will prevail to the trendy movement on the bullish side. I wish to capture everything's live, so I will pause this video and resume later on. Alright, things looks good at this moment, and still there's a big sideways movement since earlier this morning. So as you can see now, we are moving in the positive directory. and expected to hit the TP to be the 992 as I expected this morning, or maybe 1000 level for this Russell 2000. So at this moment we are plus 38 US dollar for macro account. For standard mini account is 390 US dollar, so 100 times 10 times more. So it's 100 expected to have maybe a good 800 US dollar in profit, or maybe yeah, for micro is 90 US dollar in profit. So let's wait. Hopefully the price remain on the higher side, because we can see that the market keep returning back to the downside. Okay, I've moved my stop loss to the trading stop, and hopefully once it break through here, there's no point to wait any longer. So let's wait. Still can see now a red candle. Okay, so if as it now, the profit is the current profit is 37 US dollar. I think it should be good for the micro account, and for the normal standard account, if you're following me, and it is 390 for sure. That's an easy one for the standard mini account. So looks good. Keep climbing, and we'll resume later on. Alright traders, we resume back again. So now we already end our position. I just closed my position, go flat just now. I'm flatting my position at 984, which is 10 points ahead if I'm not mistaken. And the total profit for this one is 91 US dollar in profit for micro account. For standard mini account, you will earn around 915 US dollar. So it's quite a lot actually, almost 1000 US dollar for a couple of minutes trading during Asia time and also London session. Alright, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep you live posted in my YouTube channel. So subscribe this channel, and like, share, and comment below, or ask me any question you prefer to. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye.